There she is, the 67 Fastback. We got the parts organized just in time.
I know, I can't wait to hear this beauty run again.
This is exactly what we wanted, Jordan. A real challenge.
Absolutely. The rust is deep here, but the lines are straight.
I can't believe we found one this solid underneath the rust.
Seriously, this is gonna be an amazing build.
Yeah.
Once we get this fender off, we can really assess the damage.
It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm excited.
See the perforation right here, Jordan? That's completely gone.
Yeah, and the fractures along this weld are pretty significant too.
See the corrosion here on the battery tray, and these ground wires are completely shot. We'll need to rebuild this carburetor too.
As you can see, the candy apple red is heavily oxidized. Jordan's tapping on the panel confirms the rust underneath. This is where the real work begins.
We've got heavy pitting along the fastback curve right here.
And the rust on the rocker panel seems to extend into the door jamb.
The corrosion on these panels goes deep.
Agreed. We'll strip it down and bring her back better than new.
This isn't just a car, it's a time capsule.
All right, got the last one. Easy now, that thing is heavy.
Okay, focus on the frame rails here and the rockers. See that perforation?
Got it. I'll get the wire brush ready.
Lift
Steady, I got it.
and set it down.
We're diving deep into the restoration of this Mustang. The goal today is to finalize the disassembly before we tackle the extensive bodywork you see here.
A little tighter on your side. How's that look? Perfect, hit it. And pull it slightly towards the roof line. Bore 3 has minor pitting. Record that.
Noted. Deck seems fine overall.
Yes, the crosshatch is clean here.
See the difference here, the tri-metal surface is completely wiped out.
And the overheating caused this discoloration around the edge.
Okay, the cross looks perfect. The crosshatch pattern on these bores is perfect. We'll start with the piston rings on cylinder 1.
Sounds good, Alex. I've got the torque specs pulled up right here.
That fastback line is flawless. Best one we've done yet.
No waves here.
Looks perfect.
Perfect match.
The depth looks insane.
Look at that depth. Absolutely flawless.
Incredible work, Alex.
Easy, easy. Just a little more to the left there. Oh,
Looks aligned on this side, Alex.
okay, drop her down, looks perfect.